Hello everybody, this is the iPhone channel here. I'm sorry I'm a bit late. It is now Christmas, but I finally got the iPhone 15 Pro Max as well as, you guessed it, the iPhone 15 Pro. So why not? I'm going to take these two phones out of the bag. And here you go, guys. This is actually the iPhone 15 Pro. And I do believe this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. As you can see, you just take out some of the peelings and stuff. This is actually going to be my daily driver, replacing the iPhone 14 Pro Max. As you can see, this is the 15 Pro Max. And this is actually the iPhone 15 Pro. Now, several months ago, I did review the iPhone 15 Plus. It might be uploaded late because over the past few months, I've been quite busy with my tech and programming stuff. As you can see, the blue titanium, and this, I believe, is actually the silver titanium. Now, both of these phones do have an action button, as you can see, as opposed to the silent switch of the 14 Pro Max. And you do get accessories like the USB-C to USB-C. As you can see, more durable than the lightning connectors, just like I showed you on the 15 Plus unboxing. And this is actually the owner's manual. And if you actually open, you do get the phone. As you can see, both phones are now starting up with this phone in the Hello logo. And I'm going to see you guys later once I finish setting up. I finally finished setting up both phones. And as you can see, there's not much content on both of these phones. There are essentially no third-party apps except for first-party ones. I'm going to install third-party apps on the 15 Pro Max. But on the 15 Pro, I'm actually going to give it to a cousin over in Vietnam. Because phones over there are quite expensive, especially compared with New Hampshire, where I actually bought these two phones where there's absolutely zero sales tax. So why not, guys? As you can see, both of these phones are quite nice, in basically mint condition. Albeit I've not finished setting up anything. I'm going to finish setting up this phone, and I'm going to bring it with me on my trips to Vietnam, as well as Dubai, Rome, as well as Europe this summer. I'm actually going to use this as my daily driver whilst trading in this phone. So thank you guys for watching. Please give a big thumbs up, subscribe for more videos. I'm going to see you guys soon.